Welcome to GeoViz Plus channel. Today we will utilize Global Mapper software to download the elevation data of Aster online. Let's see how it's done.
This is the Global Mapper software interface. I'm using the latest version here. First, go to File Options and click on Download Online Imagery Topo Terrain Maps option. This will open the global Aster DEM data available. Then zoom to the area you want to download. If you don't have a delineated area of interest, don't worry, simply digitize an area where you want the elevation data to be downloaded. Click Digitize tool, then click on Create Area Features tool. Now manually digitize a polygon, and give it a name finally. You can export your polygon as shapefile for the future if you need it another time. Then make sure the SOE polygon digitized is made active using the Digitize tool and then clicking on it. Then, what you need to do is to make sure the clipped area is also recognized by the Aster DEM dataset. Go to Layer Options, then Clipping tab, then click on the crop to currently selected polygon, then apply it and click OK. The last step is to right-click on the Aster dataset and export it to your suitable DEM file. For instance, in point cloud format such as loss file. Select appropriate projection. After the export is complete, you can open the lost point cloud file using the same software and work offline for other analysis. I hope you liked today's video. Please be a family to this channel through clicking on the subscribe option, then you get similar videos later. Thank you for watching.